In this video, I'm going to show you how to create this fun slider card. When you pull the tab, the cow moves across your card and a little fun message shows. How's it going? This is using the Over the Moon stamp set from the Stampin' Up catalog. I love all these cute little cows and all these fun little sayings. To start, I have a piece of balmy blue cardstock that is 4 by 5 1/4, and I'm going to use the classic label punch to create our slider. So I'm going to punch it twice. Try to line it up here. That's pretty good. And then I'm going to add some clouds using our cloud mask and some Whisper white ink. I'm gonna go ahead and add some ink here. And use a sponge dauber. Make sure I'm gonna hold this in place here. And I'm just going to lightly sponge all the clouds on. Kind of fun and relaxing to get all these clouds on. All right, so now I'm gonna lift up and reveal my clouds. I'm going to set this aside to dry. So I have another one here. So on the back, you're going to use foam strips, and this is how you're going to place them. You're going to do one on either side of your slider here, and it's going to make your groove for your piece to fit into and to slide. And then do one at the top, and then I think we should do another one over here, and probably another one in the middle. Just for some support here. Okay, so now we're going to flip this over. We're going to stamp our saying in black. To the right of the slider. And we're going to use the tailored tag punch to create a fun little piece to pull. So just slide that in there like so and punch like that. And then you get this fun little pull area. So now we can slide that in there. And then we're going to put it to the very edge and center it. And then we're going to place one of our dimensionals right here, making sure that the flat parts are lining up so that this can slide easily in here. Okay, and then we can remove the piece, and I have a little window sheet that's a 1/2 inch by 2 1/4 inches that I am going to place here, and this is what is going to slide, and it's going to allow me to put my cow right on here. So I'm going to put some adhesive on my cow. I think I'm going to do glue dots. think I'm gonna put them on my window sheet. Okay, there we've got our cow. All right, so now to hide this, I've got some grass in Granny Apple Green, and I'm gonna go ahead and stamp some more grass on here. Kind of fun to add some grass all around. And then we'll add our other cows to the mix. And then I'm going to place dimensionals only in these spots. So one right here, one in the corner, one in the other corner, and one right about here. And that's it, because you want this to be able to slide freely with no dimensionals in the way. We might be able to put one more all the way down here and make sure that it's not gonna impede our slider. So now we can place our hidden piece on our card. See, this isn't too hard, huh? It looks complicated, but it's not. It's fairly simple. And it's a really, really fun card to make. And I'm sure it's a really fun card to receive too. So now I'm just going to line this up. And so now we've hidden our slider and our cow moves effortlessly across the grass. So now we can add our extra cows here with some dimensionals. Now all we need are some sheep, huh? I think sheep would be a cute stamp set. All right, so now we've got our cows. They're just hanging out and grazing. And so the last step is to just place this on top of our card. So we can remove all the liners for our foam strip. So I hope you plan on making one of these cards. It's not hard at all. And how fun would it be to give to someone? Like, I am going to go to Chick-fil-A today, one of my favorite places to eat, and I'm going to give the owner this card. How's it going? What a fun card. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video and watching me make this card. Please go to my website, eStampin.com, to order the products you've seen used in this video. Thanks so much. Bye.